Welcome back, it's Math Monday, and we're back with part 2 of Polynomials and Algebraic Fractions. So if you missed part 1, go back and check that out before continuing with this video. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So today we'll begin with multiplying binomials using the for method. So I know this is a review for many of you guys, but please bear with me as you'll need to know it for the SAT. So to find the product of two binomials, write them next to each other and then add the products of their first, outer, inner, and last pair terms. So let me show you how to do that with our example here. So it's 2x plus 1 times x minus 5. So first we'll multiply the first term, so it's 2x and x. That gives us 2x squared. Then we multiply the outer terms. The outer terms are 2x and negative 5. That would give us negative 10x. The inner terms are 1 and x, which gives us 1x. And the last terms are 1 and negative 5, which gives us negative 5. Then we add all of them, so it's 2x squared minus 9x, because negative 10x plus 1x is minus 9x minus 5. And that is our answer. Alright, let's move on. So product of special pairs of binomials. So SAT problems may involve these special products as shown below. So here's a time saver. Memorize or learn to recognize when these special multiplication rules can be applied. So it's very useful in the SAT to know these rules. So please learn to recognize them or go ahead and memorize them. Okay, combining algebraic fractions. So algebraic fractions are combined in much the same way as fractions in arithmetic. So let me show you how to do that with our example here. So it would be x over 2 minus x over 3. So x over 2 is also the same as saying 3 over 6, right? Just add the x. And then subtracted by 2x over 6. Because 2 over 6 is the same as 1 over 3. And now we have the same numbers in the denominator. We can that means we can subtract now. So we'd have 1x over 6. That's our answer. Okay, let's move on. So the sum and difference of two reciprocals. So the formulas for the sum and difference of the reciprocals of two non-zero numbers x and y are worth remembering. So for example, if t is equal to 1 over r plus 1 over x, then what is 1 over t in terms of r and x? So here we have to add 1 over r and 1 over x, and then find the reciprocal of that to get the value of 1 over t. Okay, let's do it. So 1 over r plus 1 over x is equal to t. Okay, so x over rx plus r over rx. So as you can see, this equation that I just wrote below is the same as the one at the top, because you can cancel the x and you will be left with 1 over r, and you can cancel the r's and you'll be left with 1 over x. Okay, so now we just add them together. So x plus r over rx is equal to t. But we want to know what 1 over t is, so basically take the reciprocal of it. So 1 over t must be equal to rx over x plus r. And that is our answer. Okay, so the last one for today, solving equations with fractions. So to solve an equation that contains fractions, eliminate the fractions by multiplying each number of the equation by the lowest common multiple of all the denominators. Okay, so the lowest common multiple here would be 21. So this 21 can already cancel, so we'll be left with 8x minus 1 there. And what's 21 divided by 7? That's 3. So we're left with 3 times 2x minus 9. What's 21 divided by 3? 7. So now we're left with 7 times 2x. And as I previously said, it's equal to 8x minus 1. So to get the answer, you just isolate x, and then you know the value of x. Alright, go ahead and solve that, and leave your answers down in the comments below. And after that, go ahead and try the challenge problem that I've put down there also. So please just give it a try, and then put your answers down in the comments below. And if you need help, I could always do a one-on-one tutoring session with you. So I'd like to thank you for joining us for today, and have a great day.
Wow.